All right, guys, 2019 GMC Sierra 5.3 SLT. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Go ahead. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 85. One more. All right, so we're gonna put a Super 10 on it, leave everything else stock. We're gonna let you guys hear it after. 2019 GMC Sierra, 5.3 liter V8. We'll let you guys hear it before, what it sounded like. Now, we'll show you what we did to it. Factory converter there, factory converter there. If you guys wanna buy the new Sierra, make sure you buy the 1819. They don't come with a third converter, so you can true dual them if you're looking into doing that without having to put a converter on. Then it's got the flex pipe, 3-inch pipe. We added a FLOWMASTER Super 10, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, part number 842518. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then it wires out the back there on each side. And then in 19, they came with these as resonators. They're kind of like sifters, kind of. Crazy design, but it quiets it down a lot. There and there. So we'll see. If he wants it louder, we can cut those off next. But there's the FLOWMASTER Super 10 right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. We left everything else the same, all original. And there's the muffler right there. You guys, like always, make sure you take the valve off, because if you don't, it will rattle because of too much air pressure without the stock muffler, so it rattles over time. So make sure you guys always cut it off when you do any kind of exhaust modification on these. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Not bad. You want louder? Because of the resonators. Here's sound decibels. Right there. Again. Again. 96. Again. Again. It's got a tone to it. It's like loud. Go ahead and back it up. I'm going to have you drive it down the road and back. See how you like it. Have him drive it down the road, see what he thinks. Super 10 stock resonators. Let you guys hear it on the inside. GMC Sierra 2019 FLOWMASTER Super 10 factory resonators. Everything else is factory. .3 liter. It's probably going to need it louder.